Good morning children. Welcome to your journal knowledge session, that is your GK, and today we are going to do chapter number 4. Which chapter we are going to do? Chapter number 4, that is the collective names. आपको collective names बताने हैं. Collective names means when there is a group of people. अलग अलग लोगों का अलग अलग ग्रुप होता है, तो उस ग्रुप नेम को हम क्या बोलते हैं? What is the group name for different people? तो अलग अलग लोगों के लिए, अलग अलग peoples के लिए अलग अलग names होते हैं. So today we will study what are the different names, the group names given to different kinds of people. Okay? Collective means together, to gather. तो जब बहुत सारे लोग गैदर होते हैं और वो अलग अलग लोग होते हैं, then we will say for example dancers also have group, the soldiers have group, the sailors, the robbers means thieves, they have groups. So what are the names of these different groups of people? Okay? So children, first of all you will start with date, chapter number, chapter name and classwork in the right hand corner. So the first question says fill in the blanks with the collective names. तो आपको collective names बताने हैं इन सब लोगों के. Okay? So the first one is an army of soldiers. So soldiers, बहुत सारे जो soldiers होते हैं जो borders पे fight करते हैं for the country. What is the group of soldiers called? It's called an army. ARMY. What is the group of soldiers called? It is an army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. Number 2, when a group of students come and sit inside a room, what is that room called? It is called class. A class of students. So a group of students is a class of students. Number 3, a band of musicians. Musicians means the people who sing, who play any instrument, different instruments play करते हैं, like drums, guitar, piano, Casio, keyboard. So all these people together as a group, they are called the band of musicians. All the musicians का क्या होता है? Band होता है. BAND, band of musicians. So when there are a group of musicians, it is known as the band of musicians. A gang of robbers. So when there are a group of robbers, there are so many thieves, together they are called the gang. Okay? They are called the gang of robbers. So robbers की क्या होती है? Gang. So we say a gang of robbers. What is it? What is it? A gang of robbers. GANG. A team of players. So players, बहुत सारे players होते हैं. Cricket players, badminton players, hockey players. So when we have different teams, when we have different players together as a group, they are called as the team. जब आपको कोई वर्क दिया जाता है या फिर कोई भी अदर, इफ यू हैव एनी स्पोर्ट इवेंट, तो टुगेदर यू फॉर्म, टुगेदर योर ग्रुप इज नेम्ड एज अ टीम. ओके, सो प्लेयर्स की क्या होती है? अ टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स. अ क्रू ऑफ सेलर्स. हु आर द सेलर्स? Sailors are the people who sail on a ship. The people who sail on a ship are called as the sailors. So they together, so they are the sailors. So what is the group of sailors called? It is the crew of sailors. CREW. Crew of sailors. A crew of sailors. So all those sailors as a whole, as a group are known as crew. Okay? A board of directors. Who are the directors, children? Directors are the people who take decisions for a company. किसी भी कंपनी या बिजनेस के लिए जो डिसीजंस लेते हैं, दे आर द डायरेक्टर्स. ओके, ये बताते हैं कि बिजनेस कौन सा काम करेगा, विच काइंड ऑफ वर्क द बिजनेस विल डू, एंड दे टेक द इम्पॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस. So the people who take decisions for the company or a business are called directors. और directors जब बहुत सारे होते हैं, एक ग्रुप में आके बैठते हैं, तो they are called as the board of directors. A board, B-O-A-R-D, B-O-A-R-D, a board of directors. Okay, so these are the first 7. Now I will write the next 7. Okay. Now children, these are the remaining 7 ones, that are a crowd of people. So when there are a lot of people standing in a street, or there is a group of people they are standing, that is known as a crowd. So जब बहुत सारे लोग खड़े होते हैं, they are known as the crowd. A troop of dancers. So when a lot of dancers they go to perform anywhere, so all the performers जो भी डांस करने वाले हैं, all the people are going to perform, they together as a group are called as troupe. T-R-O-U-P-E. A troop of dancers. A troop of dancers. A bunch of keys. There are a lot of keys in a single key chain. They are known as the bunch of keys. Keys का क्या होता है? Bunch. Keys का क्या होता है? Bunch. A bunch of keys. A bundle of sticks. If there are a lot of sticks, wooden stick, plastic stick, any stick, so together the stick group is called as the bundle. Sticks, अगर बहुत सारी sticks होती हैं तो उनको एक साथ क्या बोलते हैं? Pick up a bundle of sticks. Pick up the bundle of sticks. So sticks together are known as a bundle. A bench of judges. Who are judges? Judges are the people who take judgment. जो decision लेते हैं, कौन गलत है, कौन सही है. Courts में judges decision लेते हैं ना. So there are more than one judges, or if there are 3, 4, 5 judges, अगर वहाँ बहुत सारे judges हैं, तो together they are known as a bench of judges. So the group of judges is called a bench. So a bench of judges, B-E-N-C-H. An album of photographs. You must have seen when there are a lot of photographs, we put it inside a book. So what is that book which has all the photographs called? It is called as the album. क्या बोलते हैं हम बहुत सारी फोटोग्राफ वाली बुक को? It is called the album. So what is an album? Album is a group of photographs. So it is a group of photographs. Okay? Now, a cast of actors. So when there are a lot of actors that are doing a single movie, अगर बहुत सारे actors एक single movie कर रहे हैं, then together group of the actors is known as the cast. क्या बोलते हैं? Cast. C-A-S-T. So a cast of actors. हम पूछते हैं ना जब कोई movie आती है तो who is the cast? So what is the meaning of cast? Cast means who all are the people who are acting in the movie, who are the actors that are performing in the movie. So जो भी actors होते हैं, जो movie करते हैं, different shows करते हैं, they together as a group are known as a cast. Okay? So once again we will revise. An army of soldiers. Soldiers को क्या बोलते हैं? Army. A class of students. When there is a group of students, it is known as the class of students. A band of musicians. When there are a lot of musicians who sing, who play different instruments, they together are known as the band. A gang of robbers. जब बहुत सारे thieves और बहुत सारे robbers एक साथ मिलते हैं, their group is known as the gang. A team of players. When there are a lot of players of different sports or any other thing, that is known as a team. Together they are called the team. A crew of sailors. Sailors का क्या होता है? Crew. The people who sail on a ship. The people who sail on a ship are called as the sailors. So it is the crew of sailors. A board of directors. Directors are the people who run a business, who run a company, or any institution, so they are known as the board of directors. अगर बहुत सारे directors होते हैं तो we have a board of directors. A crowd of people, when there are a lot of people standing, we say we have a crowd of people standing down the lane. Okay? A troupe of dancers, the group of dancers, the performers, it is known as a troupe. T-R-O-U-P-E. A bunch of keys, a lot of keys in a single keychain, it is known as a bunch of keys. A bundle of sticks, different sticks together are known as a bundle of sticks. A bench of judges. So the judges are the people who take judgment, who take decision, who is the criminal and who is not, and who is innocent. An album of photographs. So the book that has all the photographs is known as an album. A cast of actors. Actors that are doing a movie or doing any show, they together are known as the cast. So these are the 14 group names you have to write in your copies and you have to learn. Okay? So this is all for today, children. We shall meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a good day and take good care of yourselves.